Hey, what's going on? We're here at the MSI booth at CES 2020 looking at the GE66 Raider. So you're in the right place if that's the computer you're looking for. If you're new to the channel, my name is Benji Kaiser. This is where you'll find the best tech and tools for graphic designers and creative professionals. So if that sounds like your kind of place, consider subscribing and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Also, this laptop will be coming out sometime around March or April. So if it's that time, feel free to head down in the description below, click one of those links. If you do make a purchase for that, I will get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. So this laptop was built for gamers, but there's a lot of neat features that make it really good for content creators. First of all, it's coming with the latest 10th gen i7H processor. It'll be out with the latest NVIDIA GeForce GPUs as well. So this laptop will be well equipped for video editing and motion design. Some things I want to point out is 300 Hz refresh rate. So if you're somebody who is a content creator or a creative professional and you want to also do some gaming on the side, the refresh rate of 300 Hz is better than any laptop on the market currently. Also, it has a 99.9 watt-hour battery, making it the limit for airport-approved flight, which is super awesome because you're going to get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life out of this machine. And for a high-powered, quote-unquote gaming laptop, that's going to be a good amount of battery life. Right now, a lot of gaming machines, you're looking at 2, maybe 3 hours of battery life. So that this laptop is powerful and has killer battery life is awesome. Another thing that's really cool is you have the panorama aurora lights along the front. And you can see a couple million colors in the RGB light. One thing I like a lot about this laptop is you got spacing on each side of the keyboard. A lot of times you can feel kind of scrunched being too close to the edge on the keyboard. So you got some good space on there. The RGB light comes all the way across, so you can program that within the MSI dashboard. And they have a good soft key press. Again, I've been reviewing a lot of the MSI computers at CES 2020, and I'm really impressed with their keyboards and trackpads. They've done a great job making them sensitive, especially for creative professionals. If you're gaming, you can use a mouse and it's not the hugest deal, but if you're a creative professional and you're on the go, you want to make sure that trackpad is a good fit. Now, this is not the most color accurate screen out of the lineup, and I always recommend go ahead and get an external monitor with some really good color accuracy. And I'm reporting on a few of those here at CES 2020, and I'll give you a glimpse on the best monitors to choose from for top color accuracy. We'll be doing a full in-depth review on this laptop in the future, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on it. We'll run some tests and see how well this performs for video editing. I'm Benji Kaiser, BenjiKaiser.com. I thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of the future CES content.